Do you understand English but can't speak it? You know the words, you understand sentences, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. What if I tell you that you don't need hours of study, you don't need perfect grammar, and you don't even need confidence to start speaking English? You just need 5 minutes a day. Yes, 5 minutes. This one simple habit completely changed my life, and today I am going to show you exactly how. Let me be honest with you. For years, I was stuck. I learned English in school, I studied grammar rules, I memorized vocabulary, and I watched English movies, videos, and lectures. I could understand almost everything, but when it came to speaking, I failed. I stayed silent. I avoided conversations. I felt embarrassed. And deep inside, I kept asking myself one question. Why can I understand English but not speak it? If you feel the same, you are not alone. Millions of people are stuck at this exact point. And the reason is simple. We train our brain, but we don't train our mouth. We think learning English means learning grammar, memorizing words, and reading books. But speaking is different. Speaking is a physical skill, just like riding a bike, driving a car, or playing a sport. You cannot learn it just by reading or watching. You have to practice it physically. Your tongue, your lips, your voice, they all need training. Everything changed for me the day I realized one simple truth. If I want to speak, I have to speak. Not think, not study, not wait, just speak. Even if it is wrong, even if it is slow, even if it feels uncomfortable. That is when I started a simple habit, just 5 minutes every day. And that small habit changed everything. Now listen carefully, because this is the most important part. I am going to share the exact 5-minute daily habit that made me fluent. Step 1. Speak for 5 minutes daily. Every day, no excuses. Talk about anything. Talk about your day, what you ate, what you are thinking, what you are planning. Use simple sentences. For example, today I woke up at 7, I had breakfast, I am learning English. That's enough. Don't wait for perfect English. Don't think too much, just speak. Step 2, use mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and look at yourself. Speak like you are talking to another person. At first it will feel awkward, but slowly your confidence will grow. You will start seeing yourself as someone who can speak English. Step 3, practice shadowing. This is a powerful technique. Listen to any English audio and immediately repeat it. Not after a pause, not after thinking, immediately. Copy the speaker's tone, speed, and pronunciation. At first you will struggle, and that is okay. Your brain and your mouth are learning to work together. This one technique can improve your fluency faster than you imagine. Step 4. Think in English. Stop translating from your native language. Instead of thinking in your language and then translating into English, start thinking directly in English. Keep it simple. I am walking, I am eating, I am learning. Slowly your brain will adapt, and your speaking will become faster and more natural. Step 5. Record yourself. This is uncomfortable but very powerful. Record your voice every day and listen to it. Notice where you hesitate, where you make mistakes, and how you sound. This is how real improvement happens. When you become aware, you can correct yourself and grow. Now you might be thinking, can just 5 minutes really make a difference? The answer is yes, because consistency is more powerful than intensity. You don't need 2 hours once a week. You need 5 minutes every day. Your brain learns through repetition. Daily speaking creates muscle memory, builds confidence, and improves fluency naturally. Let me give you a warning. If you continue doing only this, watching videos, learning grammar, and reading books, but not speaking, you will never become fluent. You cannot learn swimming by reading about it. You have to enter the water. In the same way, you cannot speak English without speaking. Now let's talk about fear. Fear is the biggest obstacle. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of embarrassment. I had the same fear. But one day I made a decision. I decided that I will speak no matter what. Even if I make mistakes, even if people judge me, I will speak. And something surprising happened. Nobody cared. And even if someone noticed, it did not matter because I was improving. Here is the mindset that changed everything for me. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are progress. Every mistake teaches you something. Every mistake makes you better. If you avoid mistakes, you avoid growth. So don't fear mistakes. Accept them and learn from them. After a few weeks of practicing just 5 minutes every day, I started noticing changes. My hesitation reduced, my confidence increased, my sentences became smoother. And one day I realized that I was speaking without fear, without overthinking, and without translating. That is fluency. Now imagine yourself speaking English confidently. You are expressing your ideas clearly. You are talking without fear. People understand you. People respect you. You feel proud of yourself. That life is possible, but only if you start. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, start with just 5 minutes. Speak about your day. Use simple sentences. Practice daily. That is enough. Make a decision right now. Not a wish, not a plan, a decision. Say to yourself, I will start speaking today. Remember this. Fluency is not about perfection. It is about daily practice. 5 minutes a day can change your life. Start now.